This reading is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Energy Update, May 1 to 15, 2026. Okay, so we will see ano ang energies for you. So this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book for a private reading directly sa aking calendar, link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see, Aries. Ano yung update for you? May 1 to 15. Oh, fire energy. Super aligned sa inyo, Aries. This is about your passion and taking action. Ayan. So, paring kayo ay finally gagawa na kayo ng action sa mga goals nyo, sa mga plano ninyo, mga bagay na gusto nyong gawin sa buhay. You're going to be more passionate about your project, your career, your business, kung ano man yung matagal mo nang pinaplano. Finally, you are making things happen para sa sarili mo. Okay, you also have, oh my God, self-discipline. Oh, 'di ba? So meron ka ng disiplina sa iyong sarili about your goals kasi maaring dati scattered yung isip mo, scattered yung energy mo. And ngayon, meron ka ng structure. Baga, alam mo na kung paano ka magte-take action. Napakaganda ng combination nito, Aries. You are taking action at dinidisiplina mo yung sarili mo na maging consistent, na mag-take ng action. Let's see what else. Overall energy ng mga Aries, May 1 to 15. What is the overall energy? Page of Swords. You are open to learning. You are researching. Ayan, marami kang gustong pag-aralan, alamin. Maari ring whatever is interesado ka, no? Ano man yung interest mo ngayon. You are looking through the opportunities. Inaalam mo kung ano pa yung pwede mong ma-improve sa sarili mo. Now, your challenge is the Seven of Wands. As a challenge, pwede kasi merong mga pumipigil sa'yo, no? Pwedeng ito yung mga taong hindi naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, o kaya minsan tayo rin yun, no? Pwedeng ikaw rin yun, na nililimitahan mo yung sarili mo. But, since nga, meron kang, ngayon, passion to take action. Oh. So, ito yung challenge mo ngayon to break free from those limitations. Maaring ikaw rin kasi yung nagbibigay ng limitasyon sa sarili mo. Na, baka hindi ko kaya tong gawin. Pero kaya mo naman. Oo. Nililimit mo lang yung sarili mo. Let's see your opportunity. Uy, the Tower. As an opportunity, this is monumental para sa inyo kasi meron kang binubuwag. Binubuwag mo yung tradisyon, binubuwag mo yung nakasanayan. So ngayon, maaring meron kang gagawing change, no? Pagbabago sa iyong sarili, pananaw sa buhay, or kung ano man yung sitwasyon mo ngayon na nangangailangan ng pagbabago. Okay? So, let's see ano pa, yung inyong, ano yung blessing sa mga Aries. Okay, dalawang cards lumabas. Oh, Temperance and then the Ace of Wands. So, ito na yung time na, kumbaga, nasa tamang timing ka na mag-take action. And itong action mo na to, na gagawin, meron to magiging magandang resulta. Okay? Whatever this is, tingnan nga natin. In what area of life is this? Oh, 7th house, relationships, partnerships. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ito ay pag-take action sa pagpasok sa isang relasyon or business partnership. This can also mean yung paano ka makitungo sa iba, no? One-on-one. Oo, one-on-one connection. Let's say meron kang kliyente. Ayan. So I think ngayon mas magiging, aggressive in a good way pagdating sa pakikipag-usap sa iba, the way you make transactions with other people. Yeah, you have the sun in Capricorn in the 4th house. Okay, sun is your lakas ng loob. This is also your confidence, no? So mas magiging confident ka when it comes to your foundation. Kasi nga maaring marami kang inalam, marami kang tinuklas sa sarili mo, may inaral ka. And having Capricorn energy here, this is someone na kaya niyang pagdaanan kahit na anong pagsubok or challenges, no, sa buhay niya. Kasi nga you have this self-discipline sa sarili mo na alam mo yung kailangan mong gawin, mga dapat gawin, dapat iwasan. So you are doing well. Okay, tingnan natin sa kaperahan, money, career, finances. What is the energy for Aries? The Magician, diba? Ito yung pwedeng manifestation mo to. You are manifesting your dream life, your goals when it comes to money, finances. This is also your abilities, no? So maaring yun nga, may tinutuklas ka, you are upskilling, ina-improve mo yung abilities mo, talento mo, at mas pinalalawak mo pa yung kaalaman mo para mas dumami ang oportunidad sa'yo. Sa love life, tingnan natin, Aries love life. Page of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo kung single kayo, pwedeng merong crush dyan sa paligid. You are starting a new relationship. You are taking things slow, or you are inspired. Inspired ka, pwede naman kasing hindi mo karelasyon, pero inspired ka sa energy niya. Diba? Diba, crush mo, diba, sa school. Yung iba, inspired din pumasok sa school. Kasi makikita nila yung crush nila. Or inspired ka pumasok sa trabaho. Kasi makikita mo yung crush mo. But if you are in a relationship, there's also a possibility of having a child, no? But hindi naman para sa lahat. So if you are wanting to have a child, this can be an energy of having a child or may pregnancy. Okay? So, as a final message for you, possibility, ang ganda. Sabi rito, focus your attention on what could go right. When you learn to imagine the best case scenario, you get to enjoy an experience twice. Wonderful. So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.